In today's video we're going to create the stateful menu that will help us to see what menu item is selected. I'll start with giving the visual look to our page by adding an image to the surface and pasting in a URL. Next, let's add what we call a shader. It's simply a box with a transparent background to tweak the appearance of our linen image. Let's adjust the background opacity to 35%. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll then drag the text component, change the font, the size, the color and place it on top of the page. This will be the first menu item. I'll quickly bind it to the cell and use the repeater. Now we have all of our menu items in place. To adjust the hover behavior of my items, I'll enable hover styles, copy the look of the components, and change the color to black and adjust an opacity. I'll also enable active styles and copy all styles from hover. I'll bind its color to the cell with my selected color. Okay, now let's use the eItem index formula that will allow us to grab the index of the selected menu item. Next, I'll bind the home component to this cell. I'm holding Shift as I do this, so that the click from each menu item will get delivered to this cell. Let's see how it looks in the preview mode. I'll hover over the home menu item. Its background color changes. I'll click the Home tab and its item index appears in the table. Great. Moving back to the spreadsheet to use the pipe operator. I'll create a frame to represent each menu item. Okay, let's use the pipe operator that includes item index, default color and the color when item is selected. Last but not least, I'll click play and bind the color of my component to the cell. Okay, I'll click the preview button to see how it works. Each component can be clicked now and we can clearly see which one is selected. Perfect. We've got a stateful menu here that can be used in an application or on a website. Simple yet refined. That's the power of MintData.